Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Mardatila and I'm a student with the name 220601110023. Today I would like to talk about a career that I find truly interesting and rewarding, being a teacher. Job title and organization. A teacher is a professional responsible for educating and shaping the mind of students. They can work in various educational institutions, including public or private schooling or private school, colleges, and university. For this presentation, I'll focus on the role of a primary school teacher in a public elementary school. Next, main responsibilities and daily tasks. Primary school teacher play a crucial role in a child's education. Their responsibility include planning and delivering lessons based on the curriculum. 2. Creating a positive and inclusive classroom environment. And 3. Assessing and evaluating student progress. And 4. Providing individualized support to students who may be struggling. And 5. Preparing and grading assignment and exam. Communi- Communicating with parents and guardians about student progress and behavior, and fostering a love for learning and personal development in their students. The daily tasks can vary, but they often involve a combination of teaching, administrative work, and interacting with students and their families. Next, skill and qualification. To be a successful teacher, one typically needs the following skill and qualification: mm, a bachelor's degree in education or a related field. Next, teaching certification or licensure, which may vary by location. And strong communication and interpersonal skill, patience and empathy, organizational and time management skill. And next, adaptability and the ability to handle diverse learning needs. Why I find teaching interesting? Teaching is a profession that has always fascinated me because of its potential to make a positive impact on the life of young learners. The reason I find it interesting include: first, inspiring the next generation. As a teacher, I can inspire. mm, First, inspiring the next generation. As a teacher, I can inspire and guide young minds, helping them develop critical thinking, creativity, and a lifelong love of learning. Mm, and second, building connection, building strong relationship with students and seeing their growth over time is incredibly rewarding. Third, continuous learning. Teaching requires constant adaptation and learning, keeping the job engaging and dynamic. And four, societal contribution. Teacher contribute significantly to society by nurturing future leader and responsible citizens. And the next personal experience. Even though I'm regularly a student and not yet working a teacher, I have the opportunity to volunteer at local school and teach fellow students or neighborhood children. This uh, experience gave me a glimpse into the teaching profession and strengthened my desire to become a teacher in the future. Next, visual. Unfortunately, I cannot provide visual for this presentation. However, you can imagine a classroom setting with colorful bulletin boards, book, and get student to get an idea of a teacher is for an environment. And conclusion, being a teacher is a career that I love because of the impact it has on individuals and society. I look forward to pursuing a path in education, and I hope this presentation gives you insight into why I find teaching so interesting. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.